Yes, we will have a paper.
Why do they have?
I will tell you. Just give me a second.
After once we're done with
What? Sorry, what?
once we're done with everything, can you please that's whenever you have to find the least common multiple. Can you practice that?
Yeah. Well, we're gonna practice
On
comparison.
this one, you have to find the least common multiple.
Okay.
Right.
Listen. I have some right here.
I like my. It's still. Hey, we only use it.
No, listen. I will tell you. The starred ones we are not doing.
Oh. That's why they're black.
Yes. Do not cross them out because we will do them eventually. But right now we are not.
Can we start now?
No, because we're going to do number 1 together. Okay, so let's look at it. We have 3 names. Put your names on them.
I already did.
Oh, good job. We have, what are you doing? Okay, we have a 3/8 times 9/7.
You have to find the common multiple.
Okay. No. So let's think.
3/8. That's.
Oh, thank you, Maya. 7/9. So let's look. We're looking at our numerators as kind of a whole, and then we're looking at our denominators. Is there a number that could go into 3 that could also go into 8 nicely?
No.
Is there a number that could go into 3 that could also go into 9?
Yes. Yeah.
What is it?
3.
3. So how many times does 3 go into 3?
1.
Okay, so we're going to cross off this and write 1. So now it's 1/8. So you should be doing that on your paper.
Okay. That's not how I learned it. Do you know what?
So we looked. How many times does 3 go into 3?
Oh,
1.
that's because we're doing improper.
And then how many times does 3 go into 9?
3 times.
So we write our 3. And then can we do anything with the 7 and the 8? No. Can we do anything with the 7 and the 3? So then we multiply. What is? We multiply across. Remember, what is 1 times 7?
7.
And then what is 8 times 3?
24.
And that will be simplified because we already did the simplifying over here.
Oh, that would be.
Yep, that's the smallest thing you get.
I need to put my butt back.
Yeah, that's fine.
No.
Do you need a pencil? Because we're going. Okay. Yes, so your answer would be 7/24. So let's look at number 2 now.
Okay. Oh, how much was this?
Do you need a pencil, Fernando? Okay.
I know it too.
So let's look at number 2. It's 2/5 times 5/7.
Yeah.
So do we see anything that could be crossed out from the top and the bottom?
No.
Amaya, what do you see?
2 can go. Oh. 5 can go.
Oh, I'm looking for quiet hands.
No. 5
Okay.
can go into 5.
Yeah, 5 can go into 5. How many times?
1.
5 can go into 5. How many times?
1.
And then is there any others? 2? Looking around, nothing else. So then we multiply across.
So it'd be
2 times
2 sevens.
1, which is 2.
Sevens.
And then
there's no simplifying for that.
Yep.
What is this called? Oh, so it'd go like this.
This is just simplifying and
Okay,
then
so the next
multiplying.
one, 2 can. Oh, wait.
Okay, wait. Shh, we're waiting.
Oh, I got connections.
Okay, so let's look at the last one we'll do together. Then you guys can do some on your own. So we have 3/5
Yeah,
times 1/3.
so you would cut
So, quiet hands. Is there anything we see that can go into both? Kaylin?
3 and 3.
3 and 3. How many times does 3 go into 3?
1.
How many times does 3 go into 3?
1.
And then we multiply. Fernando, what would the numerator be then?
The numerator would be 1.
1. And what's my denominator?
5. Wait,
Five.
can I see this?
Yes.
Wait. 1 can go into 1 though.
But, okay, so how many times does 1 go into 1?
1.
So we crossed off 1 to write 1. That's kind of redundant.
Oh my gosh.
And then you just multiply across.
I have a question.
Yes. Yeah.
You can go into 4, so then this will be cross it out and make it a 2.
Yeah, because how many times is 2 going to 4? So now you guys can.
Cross that out for?
How many times is 2 going to 2?
Oh.
Yes.
How much is 2 go to 4? How much is 2 go into 4?
Thank you. Okay, keep working. How many times does 2 go into 4?
I don't know. 2? No, does 2 go into 2? Then how many times does 4
Okay,
go
think.
into 2?
Shh, okay.
1 can go into 3.
If you have a question, please raise your hand. And then, wait, right here. How many times does 2 go into 2? There you go. Okay, what's your question?
Okay, my question is, how many times can 2 go into 1 or 2 go into 2?
So, what can go into both of these?
2.
So, how many times does 2 go into 2?
Wait, what? Wait.
What? Is there a number that can go into any the numerator and the denominator?
Miss Nightingale may need help.
Yeah, so how many times does 2 go into 2?
Once.
And then how many times does 2 go into 4? Yeah.
Wait, you can simplify.
It goes in there twice.
Yes.
It already is.
So then what would you write? Twice is what number? 2. Yeah. Then you multiply across.
You can
But you can do this one.
Ooh, then what did you forget? If you can simplify your answer, what number goes into 6 and 10?
2.
So you can simplify more than once sometimes.
Well, this one on number 8, you can do it twice.
2, 4, 6.
Yeah, some of them you might be able to.
So you can pick either one to do.
No, you got to do them both. You got to simplify it to the smallest you can get it to.
So you simplify this one again? So
No,
that would
see,
be the answer.
okay, listen. So let's look at number 7. A lot of people are kind of wondering about it.
got the answers.
I
So-
haven't even got to it yet.
Well, let's look at number 7. We have 6 sevenths
And 7 tenths.
times 7 tenths. Okay, so what's one that we see,
7.
Fernando?
7 goes into 7 once.
Yes, and then
7 goes into 7 once.
and then what about these two? Is there anything else that we see? What?
2 can go into 6.
How many times?
3.
And 2 can go into 10. How many
5.
times? So then we have 3 times 1
3 fifths.
and 1 times 5.
Oh, so
I
it's
don't get
3
where we got the
fifths.
Because what goes into what? Oh, because what goes into 6 and what goes into 10? What number? 5 goes into 6.
6.
So
6 goes into 10. They're both even, so you know what number goes in there.
Wait, so would this be 4?
What number goes into
Wait, I
every
need a
even
marker
number?
real fast. Miss 2.
Yeah, so
Miss
2 can go into both.
I've probably got 8 more. I need a marker.
Then why is there 3 there?
Because how many times does 2 go into 6? There you go. Yes.
Wait, so 2 can go into 8 4 times. Do I put the 4 here or here?
Sorry, what was that?
Do you put the 4 right here or here?
Well, how many times does 2 go into 2?
Once.
So you wouldn't put a 4 because you told me once.
Can you help me?
Yeah.
On number 8. Just confused.
Okay. Number 8.
So this, I would cross this one out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then I cross this.
Yep.
But then I don't think
Yep.
I got this right. 2 24.
What number goes into
Let's
2
put the
and
20.
8?
4 times 5 is 20.
Sometimes you got to look at more than one.
1. What do you mean? So that'd be 20.
Amaya, are you getting that?
This one is confusing.
Oh my god.
No,
you're doing better than I am. Would this be 2 24? 12 24?
Because this is easy for me.
What is 1 times 1?
Something easy for you.
1 times 1 is what?
1.
And then what is 3 times 4?
Because you like
This is hard. This is hard.
No, so you shouldn't have this one.
Wait.
At all.
Wait, 9 can go into 90, right?
How many times?
10 times.
There you go.
5 can go into 50 10 times. So wouldn't it be like how many times can 5 go into 10?
It's going up.
Mhm. Okay, you should be working.
Wait, can you check number 11?
Oh, what's up?
I don't think that's right.
So it's not.
Okay, and then 6, 1, 1, 4. Yeah.
Oh.
Isn't it how many times can 5 go into 10?
How many times can 5 go into 5?
Once.
How many times can 5 go into 50?
10 times.
Okay.
Okay.
Is this one right? Is this one right?
Mhm.
Right.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Yay. Are you
Yep.
serious?
What's you simplified before?
Oh, wait, no, I get it.
Oh.
So that'd be 1, that'd be 10.
Okay, you got about
Wait, so
2
I
more
can
minutes.
simplify those
What?
into 8
What?
and 6, right?
Shh.
I can do this one, right? These two, right?
Which 2?
Yeah, I can do those two. Right?
What numbers are you pointing
Hey,
at?
come on, Kenneth. Stay focused.
Yeah.
And then 2 to go into 18 9 times.
Mm-hmm.
So this be a 9. That'd be a 1. And then 190. Right? Right?
What? Sorry.
Would that be right? I don't think that's right. Is that right?
Yeah, you're fine.
Yes.
Yeah, you both were asking the same question.
I need 11. Wait. You can't do that one, right?
What?
You just do
What number goes into 15 and 9?
We're number 10.
3.
What the heck just happened?
What?
Look. Number 10. 7, 1, 12. Oh, I see what I did wrong.
Oh, there you go. You just wrote them wrong.
6 could go
So you gotta
into
look.
6
What number can
twice.
go into 2 and 50?
Goes into
Done already?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's
I messed up
fast.
with
What?
Nightingale.
Just so you know, he's fast.
Yes, but there's another one.
Okay. I'm
Okay.
on 14. Wait, is this right? Check my answers, please.
Oh,
So
I'm not gonna
it's
check
2?
all of them right now.
No,
But-
just check that one. Check that one. I think it's right.
Yeah, you're fine. Oh
you
no,
help
because
me
you
again?
have 2 evens.
Where the heck did I get this?
I'm gonna need help.
Okay, what number goes into 15 and 9? We said 3.
12 and 2.
7 times 5 is
1.
what?
No.
Really?
Oh,
Pencil
35.
died.
There you go, that was
There
good.
we go.
Help on number 13. I don't
Okay. 13. So which numbers are we looking at? Can something go into 5 and 6 nicely?
Yes.
What number? No, what number? Tell me. 5 can go into 6 nicely.
Oh,
I
wait,
need to hear
no.
it.
2.
2 can go into 5.
3.
Nothing.
No.
So let's look at the next one. What about 5 and 7?
I messed up.
Let
Nothing.
me see.
8 and 6? What is it?
48.
No, not 8 times 6. What can go into 8 and into 6?
Well, this moves much.
So,
Okay.
oh, so this be before.
What's that?
This be.
I feel like I did this one wrong. 54.
Yeah, if you can simplify it again, then there's something that you need to fix.
I don't think I got this right.
Where did you wrong?
Okay,
Where would you put?
I
Okay, yay.
will have these.
I need help. Can I just finish this one?
Amaya? Okay, Amaya.
Finish my. I have one more left.
Please get on Google Classroom. 12,
12 is mine.
14,
Mine.
18. On Google Classroom, there is a Google form that has your math questions for today.
No.
And if you need
No.
you shouldn't need a marker or anything.
I'm done.
So does Chelsea know?
Google Forms.
Where does the Google Forms?
It's a,
It says exit ticket 228.
there you go.
So press exit ticket.
And then answer there are 3 questions. 4 counting your name.
So it's exit ticket.
Yes, it is an
Yeah,
exit
can I have
ticket.
a marker?
Wait, where? Oh, I see it.
Okay, get working on them. 3 word problems.
Name.
Exit ticket. So, how do you do it?
Okay, please.
Wait, Miss
Oh, I have to
Danielle,
answer
wait,
these.
how do you, like, there's no fractions in here.
Yeah, they're not.
So what's your word problem say?
Can I put my last name?
Okay, so write the improper fraction. So how are you going to do this? Ms. Nightingale brought 27 candy bars to class this morning. If there are 19 students, how many candy bars are each student going to get?
Wait.
So you need to write the division problem.
Oh, it's division. How do I scroll down? Wait, it's all division.
So what? Like this?
Right there.
Yep. Is that improper fraction?
Wait, come up the answer.
You're just writing the fraction. Each answer is just going to be one fraction.
All division.
You're not going to actually divide anything. No.
I do.
Okay, it says write the improper fraction. If Miss Nightingale brings 27 candy bars into class and there are 19 students, how many candy bars will each student get? You don't know what an improper fraction is.
Wait, it's a fraction.
Yes, that's what the question says. Write the improper fraction.
8, 19.
I'm gonna need help.
You write what you.
Oh no.
What are you doing?
May I have a marker?
Yes.
That's just putting it everywhere.
What? I forgot. Have we even done this?
Yes, we have.
Then I forgot.
The eraser again.
Okay, well they're right there.
We always forget stuff.
Okay, so let's see. If we have how many candy bars?
27.
How many students?
19.
So are you going to take 19 students and divide them 27 times? No.
Oh,
You're going to take 27 candy bars. Yeah, so how would we write that? Okay, what am I doing? I know.
Right? It'd be
27. What's this?
May I have an eraser?
Divided by 19.
So that's fine then.
Mhm. Okay, we're not.
The biggest number you put on top.
Well, that's what an improper fraction is when the big number's on top.
So what do I do? Would it be 1/8? So I do this.
Is 1/8 an improper fraction?
So that's what I would
Remember, we talked about improper means the bigger one's on top.
8/1.
Okay, look right here. Look, we have 27 students with 19 students and 27 candy bars.
27, 19.
27 candy bars divided 19 ways.
So then that's how I would write it.
27 slash 19.
This is the answer. I don't get it.
You have to read the question. I'm not telling you the answers.
I don't get it.
Okay, listen. Let's look right here. If we have 27 candy bars going to 19 students, then we're going to have 27 candy bars divided.
Fernando took mine.
Shh. Guys, there are a bunch. Calm down. There's like 20 of them right there. We're going to have 27 divided 19. And what is this? Is this a fraction?
So this would be the answer. That would be the answer.
I'll check them when you turn them in.
I think it's 8/19. Don't you dare read it. Don't you. I already know the answer to the other one.
Okay, finish it at your desk.
Wait.
Okay, you need to go to your next group, please.
Can we finish this to our desk, please?
Yes, ma'am.
16, 24.
Am I up?
We have to finish these at our
Isaiah,
desk.
can I have my
Yes. Can I have that?
Well, I'm not done yet.
Okay, you don't need headphones.
I know.
Okay, and I'll take your Chromebooks right now. We're not using them yet.
Keep shaking it just like
I know. It's fine.
that. Bro.
Yes. Who else wants this one? Wesley, Chuck. Okay, I guess it's just us.
That's it.
Will you scoot over one?
Everyone is good. There's no change.
Okay. First thing we're going to do is do a quick review. Yesterday we multiplied and then we simplified. So, 3/6 times